Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. G here. Today I'm going to be telling you how to make money as a stay-at-home mom. Let's get to it. Okay, so first and foremost, I just want to come out right now and say it. I have multiple streams of income. Let me say it again for the ones in the back. Multiple streams of income.
Wow!
Okay, so number one on the list is I sell on Poshmark. Poshmark is a reselling app. You can download right to your phone. You can list stuff. You take pictures, videos, list it for whatever you want. They take a percentage of your profit, so I do tend to raise my prices a couple dollars more. They send you the label. It's super easy. You print it off, you package it, ship it. It's so easy. So the stuff that I sell on there is stuff from like Bookerz bling. I sell stuff from my closet. If I see something at a store that's in like really good condition, I will buy it and then flip it and resell it on Poshmark. And just so everyone's aware, I will put all the links down in the description so you don't have to worry about it. You can just go down there, click the link, and it will take you, if you're curious and you want to learn more or just kind of see how things run over here at the Bookerz. Okay, number two on the list is I sell on Etsy, plus I have my own website. So I am the owner of Bookerz Bling. I custom bling stuff. I've been doing it for years now. I just got done doing a pair of Converses. And then, so I sell on Etsy and I sell on my website. And what I basically do is, I do made to order, unless it's like I have some t-shirts and stuff that are like pre-made, but most of the stuff is made to order. So when you order it, I go and get it all blinged up or whatever, and then I ship it out to you in a week or less. And I like doing it this way. It's really great because then I don't have to pay for anything up front. When the customer pays, it gets deposited into my account. I go buy the item, I bling it up, or I press the t-shirt or whatever it is, and boom. Number three on the list, and this one's quite frankly really new to us. We do DoorDash. So we just started doing it like a week ago, and the turnaround has been pretty great. So what we do, Brandon actually tags along with me sometimes in the evenings just so we can still spend time together. So he'll work in the day, we'll both go to the gym, get everything that we need to get done. And then in the evening for night orders, we go and we DoorDash. So we can make anywhere from around $50 to $200. It just depends on how many orders and how long you stay out for the dinner rush. So DoorDash has been really helpful, and it deposits every Monday and is like in my account on Tuesday. So it's like a weekly thing. So it's kind of like working for yourself. And you can take your baby along. Like if you have a little kid along, you could take them along and just take them out every single time you deliver an item, but that's totally up to you. Okay, so number four, next on the list is, I guess you could consider it affiliate marketing. So I work with brands. One of the brands I work with will say Six Pack Bags. So I promote their bags. I love their bags. I use them all the time. That's why I promote them. And I'll link them down in the description like everything else. And so if someone goes through my link or uses my code, I get a percentage of that order. So it's kind of like a cash back in a way. My last order I got, I think it was like $12 for an order. Someone ordered a bag. And so it's a really good turnaround. And I love promoting brands that I believe in and that I use. And number five on the list is Fiverr. So unfortunately, my old Fiverr account, which had over like 100 reviews, got banned because an Amazon seller was trying to get me off the platform. I'm not sure why I got banned because they were the one that was doing it. Long story, I tried to appeal it. I didn't get that account back. But so I made a new account and it's doing okay, but I don't have enough reviews, I think, for people to be like, let's go. So Fiverr is a website where you can place gigs and people can pay you for services. So one of mine was, I will choreograph a dance for you, and then I did like clips of me dancing in the past. Another one was, I will be your influencer. Another one was, I will promote your brand, depending on if I like the product or not. And I always tell the people, if I do not like your product when you send it to me to test, I will not promote it. I had one that said, I think it was just like, I will be your female model. So like for clothing brands and stuff like that. But now I only have three, and it's the dancing, I'll be an influencer, or we can collab together or something like that for social media. like TikTok and stuff. But Fiverr is a really great platform. You can set your own rates. They do take a percentage, so just remember that. And if a company likes you, they can tip you. So on top of what you can get a tip as well. So I love that about Fiverr. And number 6, the last one that I'm going to talk about is our blog. So our blog doesn't make that much money like other blogs would make, but what I did with our blog is I repurposed it so that it would get me more YouTube views and it would get people to our social medias. And there is a couple of links on there from like Amazon storefront. So, but I put like a little disclaimer, all of these things are links, blah, blah. But so if someone clicks on that link and purchases that product from Amazon, which is literally everything I use, I take videos of me using it or Bubba or whoever, and they buy that, I get a percentage of that, which is a very, very, very little percentage. It's like $1, $2 or whatever, but still it's a source of income. So yeah, those are 6 ways that I make money as a stay-at-home mom. I hope this was helpful for you and it gives you some encouragement to go out there and start your own thing. And comment down in the description, ways that you make money if you are a stay-at-home mom or dad as well. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a video with your Girl G. Help me get monetized.